not sure how we are already here, but it is time for Mejuri's biggest sale of the year, their Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. I'm gonna put the exact sale details down below in the description box, but they're doing up to 30% off. They have a $150 minimum spend, but you guys, they don't do up to 30% off hardly ever. I actually don't know that I've ever seen them do this big of a sale. They always do like 20% or 25%. For them to go up to 30% is a huge deal. So I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a lot of new arrivals. I have them like all over here on my desk. Also, spoiler alert, they have all new packaging, so we're gonna go through all of that. I'm gonna be showing you all the pieces that I think are worth getting during the sale, some of my favorites at the end of this video. This video is sponsored by Mejuri. If you guys have been around on my channel, it is no surprise that I'm working with Mejuri to tell you guys about this sale. I have worked with them for years now, and this is my favorite time of the year when I get to do the big sale announcement with all the pieces that I love. So we're gonna go ahead and jump on it. I've got lots and lots of pieces to show you guys. Like always, all of these pieces will be linked down below in the description box along with the pieces that I'm wearing. Let's start off with this new Mejuri packaging because this is something we need to talk about. I actually did not know that they were switching up their packaging until I got the box in, and I was honestly so shocked because the box that all these came in was so big, and I'm so used to their packaging being those small jewelry boxes. They have upgraded their packaging to this gorgeous, very modern, clean-cut box, and inside of here, I actually did already open one of these because I was genuinely so curious what this new packaging was. We have this really cool vellum sheet that lays over the box, and you can kind of get an idea of what's underneath. So it gives you like a little mystery preview of the dust bag underneath. Printed onto the vellum is the Mejuri branding, and then they have a care card up here that's just slipped into this little slot. So very unique packaging. I feel like this really aligns with the Mejuri brand these days, and I love that they updated it because this brand has been around I think since like 2015, 2016, I can't remember exactly when, and they've had the same packaging for a really long time. And so for them to update the packaging to kind of fit the brand now, I think is really, really fun. So I guess they've been a brand for about 10 years, which is so crazy. I think I started working with them in maybe like 2018 or 2017 even. A Mejuri box, and you guys know I love Mejuri. This is like what the box looks like. I love getting their pieces. They always feel so nice. You open it up. Okay, I love this. So been a fan of the brand for a very, very long time. Knowing that they're like 10 years in now, to have this really cool update is very, very fun. Also slipped into the packaging is a polishing cloth that is now inside of this little card. So I actually really, really love that. When you lift up the translucent paper, you see the dust bag, and this is a beautiful like peach dust bag. Also has the peach interior, so just all new branding, all new visuals, and I just think this is such a cool unboxing experience. Also, I don't know if you guys can see, but there is a M embossed onto the dust bag, which is very pretty as well. For our first dust bag, we have a pair of earrings. These are the open dome huggies, and this is a new line that just launched from Mejuri. I absolutely love this line. I'm gonna be showing you a few pieces from this collection. This is made with 14 karat yellow salmon gold. These are solid gold. They're water resistant, they're hypoallergenic, and I just love this design. You can see here, it has these really thin bars that all connect. These are more of a huggy style and shape, so really good everyday earring. I think these are just so unique. Before I put in the new earrings, I wanna give you a rundown of my current stack. These are 3 pairs of earrings that I would recommend getting during the sale. I wear them literally all the time. They're some of my most worn earrings. You've seen them in past Mejuri videos. You've seen them on Instagram. I wear these pretty much every single day. So first up are these dome figure hoops. These are in 14 karat gold. I love the size of these. They have a little bit of interest with the organic shape to them, but they're still relatively small and out of the way. They are a perfect everyday earring. Like I said, 14 karat gold, so you can work out in them, you can shower in them. You don't have to worry about spraying perfume near them. They are just a really good everyday earring. Next Next up are these diamond huggies, and I wear these literally every single day. These are always in my second piercing. I just absolutely love these in a second piercing. I think they just work with every single stack. I will say though, if you only have one piercing, these would be a really great everyday earring as well because they are a bolder diamond hoop. I just think they are so stunning, and again, really, really good for every day. 14 karat gold, and you definitely cannot go wrong with a solid gold earring like this. In my third piercing here, I have the bezel diamond stud. I also pretty much always have these in my third. If you're looking for a good diamond stud, I really could not recommend these more. They are perfect for everyday wear. I love the size of them as a third, but also again, they are a little bit of a bigger stud, so they would be beautiful in a main piercing. This is what the open dome huggies look like, and I think they are so pretty. Like if I didn't have these other piercings, I think they're beautiful by themselves, but you can see that it's actually a smaller hoop than these that I have in my second piercing, so you could definitely wear them in a second piercing and wear like a bigger hoop in your main piercing. So I love how versatile they are. 14 karat gold, like I said, so anything 14 karat gold I'm biased towards because they're just way more low maintenance. I think they're so pretty, and these are a pair of earrings that will last forever. Next up is another box. I'm not gonna go through the packaging on every single one of these because they're pretty much all the same in this next dust bag. This is the lab grown diamond petal stud. This is in 14 karat yellow gold with lab grown diamonds. This is actually a single stud, I want to note, so it's not a pair. If you like to do mismatch earring looks, I love that they do have these options to do single earrings. This one is so pretty. It has a pear marquee and round diamond. This would be so beautiful in a third or second piercing. This is what it looks like in, and I absolutely love this design. I think it's so unique. Really gives a lot of interest to a stack. If you wear more simple earrings in your main piercing, this is such a fun little addition to add. On to our next box. Looks like we've got another earring, and this one is very dainty. So this is the marquee diamond bar stud, and this one is in 14 karat gold with natural diamonds. What's really unique about this one is it's actually a flat back style. So this is what the stud looks like. It's very dainty. And then this is what the back of the stud looks like. And the actual prong of this stud just slips into this backing. So the actual back of the earring, instead of your traditional back like this, is completely flat. So this is the type of earring that you would put in and probably leave. It's gonna be really comfortable to wear while you're sleeping. So if you're the type of person who doesn't like to switch out their earrings very often, this is a really cool option. It's like very dainty. It would be perfect in a second or third piercing. And once you get it in, you just keep it in, which is awesome. So this is what the earring looks like in. This is a single stud, I just want to note as well. So it's one of those pieces that you can mix and match on different ears. The back of it looks like this. So see how these prongs kind of stick out like really far? This one doesn't stick out at all. So if you are someone who likes to sleep in jewelry, this is actually so nice. This is my first ever flat back earring, and I'm honestly wondering why most earrings are not like this, because it just feels really functional and very comfortable. I actually really love that. That's such a good idea. On to our next box. In this dust bag, we have a ring. This is the open dome lab grown diamond ring. This is 14 karat yellow salmon gold with lab grown diamonds. I love this collection that they just released. I think it's so unique and so pretty. I also love that it comes in 14 karat gold. As you guys can see, this ring matches the earrings. So if you wanted to get a set, I think these would be so pretty together. Before I try it on, I want to give you guys a rundown of my ring stack. I decided to wear all of my favorites so that you guys could see which ones that I would recommend for getting during the sale. This is the celestial dome ring, 14 karat gold with diamonds. So pretty. This one is their pinky ring, and I actually have worn this like every single day. I love this ring. It comes in multiple different gemstones, but I just think it's such a good piece. It is 14 karat gold as well. Like I said, I wear it every single day. Wash my hands and all of the 14 karat gold pieces. They have all held up so well. I have on 2 of the dome figure rings, which I absolutely love. You cannot go wrong with anything from the dome figure line. It is one of my favorite collections from Mejuri. These are 2 of my favorite rings. They also have dome figure earrings like I showed you. And so really anything from the dome figure collection is a 10 out of 10. I could not recommend these pieces more. And then I have the pave soft Charlotte ring. I've had this for years. It has held up incredibly well. And I love the Charlotte collection as well. Those are the 2 collections that I really, really love. Pretty much everything from those 2 lines I think are just such good pieces. This is the new open dome lab grown diamond ring. And I seriously love this line. You might have to put it up there with the dome figure line. I think it is so unique. It almost looks like you're wearing 2 separate rings, but it's just one piece. I love how dainty they are though. Even though it's like a bolder ring because it is like pretty wide, the actual pieces of gold and the design are just really dainty. So I love that. So pretty. And you guys know I'm a sucker for anything with diamonds, so this one was an immediate yes. On to our next box. Feels like we've got another earring. This is the lab grown diamond drop stud. Again, this is a single earring. I think it would actually be really pretty to wear this one in one ear and then this other single stud that I showed you guys earlier in the other and have them mismatching. I love a good mismatched look. This is so pretty. Again, it has a pear, marquee, and round diamond in it. I love the dangle on it. This would be so pretty in a second or third piercing. I decided to leave my third piercing in and put it in my second piercing. I think this is such a beautiful earring. It's so unique. I love it in my second piercing. It is such a fun addition to my stack. I think all of these are super unique earrings. I'm honestly loving this very dainty stack right now. I think this is such a beautiful look. On to our next box here. It looks like another ring. This is the pave diamond oversized curb ring. This is 14 karat gold with natural diamonds. So pretty. You can see it has like this almost like chain link design to it. The middle chain has the pave diamonds, really thin dainty band. I also love how low this sits as well. So it's still like a bold ring, but very low profile. This is what the ring looks like on. Again, very low profile out of the way. I love the diamonds that sit on top. I just think it's so beautiful. It's so unique. You don't need to stack it with anything. If you're looking for a good one and done diamond ring that's very unique, definitely recommend this one. It's so pretty. Next box here. We're like flying through these right now. I want to be able to go through my favorites from my collection without this video being an hour long. So we're breezing through. This one might be my favorite from this line. This is the open dome pave ring. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. 14 karat yellow salmon gold lab grown diamonds. We've got the dome pave that is intertwined with this beautiful 14 karat gold band. Absolutely stunning. Even from the front of the ring and from the side, the diamonds are so sparkly, so beautiful. Would definitely recommend grabbing this one during the sale. It is so unique. I love that it looks like it's 2 separate rings, but it's just one. And I just love the organic shape to it. So pretty. This is what it looks like next to the other open dome ring. So gorgeous. I love these designs. They're so pretty. They don't need to be stacked. I am a sucker though for anything from their dome line. I just think that they do such good designs. I have a larger dust bag here with 2 rings. These actually come in a set. This is the slim Charlotte stacker set in 18 karat gold vermeil. They also come in silver. This one has lab grown white sapphire and they are so pretty together. I love how they just nest perfectly inside of one another. I love that the lab grown sapphires go around the entire ring. So it's pretty from all angles. Obviously with these, you can wear each one by itself or you can wear them stacked. I think this ring stack would be a great gift because it is so versatile. You can wear them together by themselves. You can stack them with other rings. They're just really fun. I love the scallop detail. I think it adds some interest to any ring stack. Believe it or not, we're on to our last box here and then we're gonna go through my my favorites from my collection. Feels like we have another ring in this box. This is the Slim Diamond Eternity Band. This is 14 karat yellow gold with natural diamonds. Diamonds going all the way around the ring. This is so beautiful, you guys. It is a very dainty diamond band, perfect for stacking on top of any other rings. I absolutely love a timeless eternity band. I got this one in a size 4 so I could wear it on my ring finger or on my left hand and pointer finger. But I just think this is so pretty. I love how dainty this is even by itself. Very much out of the way, would be the perfect just everyday ring. So gorgeous. And I love a good eternity band because it has the diamonds that go all the way around. So from every angle, it just looks sparkly and beautiful. And this is what it looks like next to the dome ring. I love how thin it is because it just complements any ring beautifully. It really just adds to any stack without taking away from these bolder pieces. So I really love how it just sits against these bolder rings. Now on to my other favorites from my collection. I already showed you guys some of my favorite earrings and rings, but I picked out some other ones from my jewelry box that I wanted to show you guys that I think would be so good to get during this sale. I'm gonna have all of these linked down below in the description box in the order that I talk about them because I can't remember the name of every single piece off the top of my head, but I'm gonna do my best to have them all in the description box if you're interested in any of the pieces. First up are the bold pave medium hoops, and I love these hoops. I have them in the small, medium, and large. I would say if you don't have any and you're wanting to get one pair, I probably would recommend the mediums because they're perfect for every day. Really good size, and the pave diamonds are so sparkly. They make every single earring stack look so beautiful. If you are looking for a good everyday hoop that doesn't have diamonds on it, but is just a really great daily driver, these are the bold small hoops, and I think these are absolutely perfect. They're the perfect boldness to where you don't have to have a huge earring stack for them to be really beautiful. They are so stunning by themselves, but they are very lightweight, out of the way, perfect for everyday wear. I love that they have the hinge design, and I think they're just so pretty. If you are looking for something that is a little bit bolder and unique, but still very comfortable to wear, I love the puffy Charlotte hoops. These are a really great size. Obviously, they're a little bit bolder, but they're not too heavy in the ears. And like I said, the Charlotte line is one of my favorites, and I think these are absolutely stunning. If you are looking for something that is bold and sparkly, these are my top recommendation for earrings. I think these are so unique. So these are a huggy style. I can't remember the name of these, so I'll have these linked down below. I get compliments on these every single time I wear these. You can wear them in your main piercing. If you only have one piercing, these are bold and beautiful. You don't need to stack them, but they are small enough to where you can wear them in a second piercing and still wear something large in your main piercing. So I love the versatility of them. Again, every single time I wear these, I get a compliment. They also have a matching ring. I will have that linked down below as well. This is the type of piece to get during the sale, these like aspirational pieces, because they're gonna be discounted. So if you've had your eye on these or you're looking for a little diamond piece to grab during the sale, I would highly recommend these earrings. If you are looking for something unique to add to your earring collection and you have not tried an ear climber, I think these are the best ones from Mejuri. These are the pear diamond ear climbers. I think they are so pretty, and they make every stack so unique. I just love how these look in the ear, and they add so much sparkle to every single stack. If you are looking for the best everyday ring, cannot recommend the duo ring more. This is my most worn Mejuri piece of all time. This is like one of the first pieces I ever got from Mejuri. 14 karat gold. So gorgeous, so versatile, and it's like the perfect every single day ring. If you like pearl pieces and you're looking to add something very unique to your collection, I love these hoops. I think they are so unique. They look so good from the front or the side. I love the way that the pearls just like float on top of the hoop, and the hoop has so much interest as well. If you're looking for something that's bold and versatile, I really love the Stevie hoops. These are in the gold vermeil and the burgundy. They have so many different charms that you can put onto the hoops. You can switch up the style constantly. I think the burgundy is gorgeous for the winter. Such a beautiful, bold statement piece. And then my favorite bold studs right now are these Stevie ripple studs. I think these are so cool. I will say I don't wear these with anything in my second or third piercing. I feel like they just look good by themselves. These are incredible. I get questions on them all the time. They're so pretty and so unique, and I love how different they are than anything else in my collection. But those are all of the pieces from this video. Like I said, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. Be sure to take advantage of this sale, you guys. It does not happen that often where Mejuri does a big sale like this, so definitely take advantage of the sale. Like I said, I'll have all of the sale info on the screen and down below in the description box, along with the pieces that I showed you guys. All of my favorites as well will be linked down below. But if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you end up grabbing during the sale, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. I'd love to have you back on my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one really soon. Bye guys.